Welcome to FCAW arc welding tutorial. FCAW welding parts include welding machine, wire spool, which is holded inside machine to feed wire through electrode holder, electrode holder, through which you have to perform welding, ground clamp, which attaches to workpiece for circuit completion. To continue, select welding spool to attach it to welding machine. Now select electrode holder, then select highlighted attachment plug on machine. Select 20 amp and 220 voltage from knobs. Good job, you can now start welding.